everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany. My channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. Please ignore the sounds of shuffling blinds if you can hear them. I'm trying to project my voice quite a bit. My mic and my normal tripod is missing, so I am just filming, on my old tripod and without a mic, so I just have to yell at you real loud. I hope you can hear me very well. Very well indeed. Also, if you could ignore the fact that my makeup might look like crap, it's been on for 12 hours, so it's had its fair use and it is past its expiration date, and I'm just impressed by how well it's holding up, so maybe we don't comment on it not looking good. It's done the best it can. It's had a long day, as have I. So today's video, as I'm sure you gather from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of April. For anyone who does not know, BOXYCHARM is a $21 or $24 a month beauty subscription service. I saw this month I was charged $24, and I googled it and I couldn't figure out why. So it's between $21 and $24 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products to test and try and love. I will put links down below if you want to sign up. I do have a link. I don't know what I get for it. I know someone's used it and I didn't get anything for it. But I have a link, so if you are interested while you're watching this, you can click down below or just go to BOXYCHARM.com. So these are my favorite videos to film. I'm really excited to get into this. This is my favorite time of the month because it's the time when I get freaking makeup that feels free, even though it's not free, but 21 bucks for how much you get. It's a steal. It's a 5-finger discount with both your hands, and then So anyways, if at any point during this video you like it, why don't you give it a like because you liked it, and if you're already clicking around down there, you might as well hit that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos every week, and we're a lot of fun, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. But anyways, I think we should just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. Can we talk about this glitter, by the way? 12 hours. This is a video that's coming up soon, so of course make sure to subscribe if you want to see about this, because goddamn. And now, if you would like to see me open up and give you some swatches and show you everything I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, just keep on watching. Alright, I think it's time we get into this little babble right here. So the first thing we get is the card that lets us know the theme and all the prices. The theme is peace, love, and boxy. Let's move on. Alright, the first thing we're seeing in the box is from the brand Butter London. It is their Power Up Mascara. It retails for $20. I will put down below everything that is cruelty free in case that's something that matters to you, because it does matter to me. This is the wand right here. Let's look at it over. What? It is a little, wait a minute. It's a little bit curved and it's got short spiky plastic bristles. I am excited to try this because my current mascara combo, though I love it, it's my favorite mascara of all time. I mean, look at that. $5 and it does great things. I'm starting to get over the flaking thing, so I've been wanting to branch out and try some new things, so I am happy to have this. Want to be quiet maybe? I haven't tried a Butter London mascara yet. I know we've gotten one in the box and I gave it to my sister, so I am excited to try it because I did hear good things about the last one, so I will let you know in a future video if I enjoy it, and if you have tried it, let me know what you think. I'm all about like dark, thick lashes. I want them intense. I don't want any natural lashes because I don't wear false lashes. So this is how I get my drama. Okay, and I love drama, right? Who doesn't? It's a Wednesday that's felt very much like a Monday. You know what I'm saying? Like, alright, the next thing I see in the box is this guy right here. Alright, this product is $19 and it's from Starlooks. It is an Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Celestial. So I'm kind of curious as to what color this is. Let's check him out. Let's check you out. Meow. Meow. I hate these plastics with all of my heart. Why do you do this thing to me? Ooh, so this, look at this shade here. So that is the shade right there. Let's give a little swatch. Oh, wait a second. I have it rolled up too much. All right, let's do a little swatch. Oh, I'm really pressing for that. Ooh. Let's try it a little. Maybe you gotta warm it up a bit first? I don't know, but. So that's the shade right there. I had to really, wow. You have to really work at it to get that color to show up. So this might not be the best. $19. I'm sorry. I would never. I will try this just for the sake of trying it because I have it, but I can already kind of tell that I think this is a no. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Starlooks. Starlooks, I believe, is the brand that had the eyeliner with the stamp, and I use that all the time. I bought a second one. I think I got that in an Ipsy bag, though, but it was like an eyeliner on one end, like a felt tip, and then a heart or a star stamp. Loved those. I don't know what I did, but I cut open my finger just now. All of a sudden, it started to hurt, and I don't know what happened. Look at it. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. Just gotta rock the rest of this video with a throbbing finger. Alright, so the next thing in the box is what? My favorite thing ever. And what's my favorite thing ever? If you've been here before, you know it's brushes. That was a good song, right? I think so. I think so. Alright, so these brushes are from the brand Luxie, which I love. I love Luxie brushes. We've gotten them many times in subscription services. And this is their three-piece... Wait, what? This is their three-piece Summer Daze brush set. That is so cute. So look at them here. Whoa. It's got the ombre effect from the pink to the orange. It doesn't look very orange here. It kind of looks like a weird green, but either way, very pretty. We have two brushes that look like they're made for the eyes, as you can see. Yes, and one that looks like it'd be really good for like a big highlight or maybe some, oh, contour. Contour. This is going to be a contour brush. Contour brush. My energy was a little bit weird there, but I am excited about this. Makeup brushes are my all-time favorite thing to get in subscription boxes because I hate to buy them, but I love to have them, so I don't like to wash all the ones over there because I don't like to wash brushes. Who can relate? Let me know down below if you like to wash brushes, and then I can hire you to come wash my 1,000 brushes because I hate washing brushes. And this retails for $28. Okay, the next thing in the box I'm really excited for because I have gotten one of these products in the past and it is beautiful. So this is from the brand Artist Couture. It is their Diamond Glow highlighting powder. This is in the shade Summer Daze. And this retails for $27. It's a loose highlighter. I love highlighter. Is mine still on? No. It's been a lot of hours. So this is the packaging it comes in. Very cute packaging. It looks a little dark. Let's swatch her. It's got those little like holes that you gotta poke. Love that. Stick it with a little pokey. Let's dab a little on the hand. This is the way I'm gonna do my life, do my things. All right, now let's just swirl it in. All right, so that is the shade right there, and that actually doesn't look as dark as I thought it might, because it looks a lot darker in the tube. But ooh, it reflects pretty. That's not even too dark for me. Oh hell yeah. So I'm very excited for that. I want to do a look with the items. I need to do another, if you've seen, I'll link up here if I can find it. I've done a video before where I do a full face with nothing but like BOXYCHARM items, and I think I need to do another one because it's been a while since I've done that and we've gotten so much good stuff recently. And that highlighter needs to be featured because do you freaking see it? Wait. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I just realized that this can opening, this can, is probably how I cut open my finger, because how else? How else? Okay, and the last item in the box is the biggin that I'm sure you've seen spoilers on because everybody's supposed to have the spoilers on this already. So this product retails for $36 and it is the Pure Cosmetics Festival Eyeshadow Palette. Because we are in festival season. If you are a youth, you go to festivals, and this kind of product is catered specifically for you youths who go to festivals. I am, however, not a youth that goes to festivals. I am an old woman who hangs out in my house with my dog and my cats and my husband and binge watches true crime videos on the YouTube. In particular lately, just for a shout out on my channel, though nobody will see this, I have been binge watching like crazy Stephanie Harlow. So if you are unfamiliar and you like true crime, get familiar because this bitch is interesting and just so good. Best I've found. Best I've ever found. So informative. Best voice. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend if you like true crime. Go and watch Stephanie Harlow. But anyways, back to my youths who love festivals. Let's look at this palette. Oh, so inside the box it comes with a little envelope of their eyeshadow primer. It's the Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. Never tried it. Let me know if you have. I'd love to know what you think. I don't usually use like actual eyeshadow primer. I just use concealer because of laziness, convenience, money. You know, I already own it, so why buy more primers? Alright, so the packaging matches the box, and let's look at the shades. Ooh, let's take off the plastic so you're not so blinded. Ooh, the shadows smell kind of good. I don't know if it's scented or if it just smells good. I don't know. Alright, so those are the shades right there. Those are beautiful. Look at those pressed glitters. Oh my god. So it seems like right now it's the season of the pressed glitter, and I gotta say, I'm here for it, because as you can see, I'm a glitter ass bitch. Bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a glitter ass bitch, bitch, bitch. But anyways, I was saying I'm a glitter ass bitch. And look at those two right there. Oh my god. Okay, let's give you a couple swatches, not the whole palette. If you'd like to see a look with this palette, comment down below. I will do it for you. Maybe this could be the one that's featured in my video that's going to come up soon, where I'm testing out BOXYCHARM items for you to see. Maybe. Alright, so we have Gypsy, which is the purple, obviously. Got a little too much there. Wait, there we go. This is Wild Child, which is the hot pink. This is 24 Karat Magic in the air. And this is Fireworks. So those are the swatches there. Those are the two bright shades in the palette, and those are the two pressed glitters. I feel like those are the ones people are most interested in seeing swatches of. We all have a million neutral palettes, but look at those, and look at the shine on those glitters. Oh, look at these glitters that were in this palette.
Yeah, were they pretty glitters? Oh, they're pretty glitters.
I cut my finger, love.
Baby.
Do you see it? I am really excited that we got this palette. We've gotten pure palettes in the past, and I've been consistently happy with the quality, so this is a steal. This is really good for 36 bucks. Even if you just wanted this to get real special for your festival in, if you're a nice, cute youth, you would be basically getting this on a discount and a bunch of free stuff. So 10 out of 10 would highly recommend BOXYCHARM all the time. Alright guys, that completes this video. That was everything I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, and the overall retail value of the box this month is $130, which is really good considering you pay $21. The only item I don't think I'll use is probably that eyeliner, so take out that eyeliner and it's still $110 for a $21 subscription service. So I think it's worth it. I always speak highly of BOXYCHARM, and I'm not an affiliate or anything, so there's no reason for you to not trust me. And also because I'm super honest and like super nice and relatable, so you should just trust me. But if you don't, but you still kind of want BOXYCHARM, you can just go to their website and sign up, because it is so worth it. And anyone who asks me which one they should get, I always say BOXYCHARM, because it's great, and it's oftentimes all cruelty-free items. Not every time, and I will link down below if there's any discrepancies in that, but it's usually all cruelty-free, it's all good quality, it's all name brands, and I mean, look at that shit. Look at that shit. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you liked it. If you did, why don't you give it a like because you liked it, and of course, if you want to hang out with me more, subscribe. If you want to, you don't have to, but it does help YouTubers out. It's very important for engagement. And if you want to support, little old me, go ahead and do that, because that would be fantastic and I'd appreciate it forever. And if you are still watching videos and you want to binge me specifically, why don't you click on one of these links over here. These are videos I put up in the past, and if you click on my face right here, it'll give you that one more option to subscribe in case you forgot in the last 5 seconds. I think you should do it. I think it's a great idea. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Don't want to be presumptuous, but I hope I do. Okay, bye.